So hi guys, today time check. It's Tuesday, 9:03 p.m. August 22. So ngayon yung uwi namin and na-delay yung flight namin. It was supposed to be 8:45 pero naging 10 p.m. And yeah, and hopefully sana at sana meron kaming free Jollibee. But so today may chika ako kasi yung si Ate Francine nandito siya kasi nakita ko din siya nagbayad nakaraan sa Cebu sila. So I just didn't believe na nandito siya like today. Like I can see her there, but I think he can't see me. So punta muna tayo na CR because I need to touch up some makeup or something. Cause yeah. So now we're going to the CR.
For the information to all departing passengers sa Philippine Airlines, flight number 2297 bound for Cagayan de Oro 6A. And so wait for your flight boarding announcement.
Okay, hindi na ako magpa-powder. Mag-lipstick na lang ako. So, update sa hair ko. I like it kasi dark lang siya dito. Pero,
Remaining passengers in Philippines.
so yun na nga yung hair ko. Gusto ko siya like dito lang sa outside. Like girl, like ganyan lang. Pero, look at that. Look, tingnan mo yung loob. Mukha kang mais. Like, so here's my airport look. I got this, and this. Rusty Lopez, Krisa, and Hong Kong Disneyland. Yours.
Ate Mars. Ano nga to?
Masway.
Masway.
Ay, kaya mo
Kaya mo
commercial.
commercial. Robinson. Fubu.
Ay, sapatos mo pa, babe.
Ate Mars.
Oh my God. Si Alexia may bilat. So for today's fit, I don't really like it. Like, I don't like today. Hindi ko gusto yung damit ko today. Like, what the
Airlines flight
fuck?
BR 2864 bound for
Time check, it's 9:18 p.m. and sana pakainin kami ng Jollibee because we're hungry AF. Ow! Hina. Yun na guys. Parang nag-boarding pass na